Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to draw an outfit, a normal outfit for a paper doll. So watch my video till end. So shout out coming at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. So thank you. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So shout out coming out next. So this video shout out goes to Ajay Sharma. So if you want to shout out in the next video, all you have to do is like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment down below done when you're done. So please remember that you should be a public subscriber to get a shout out. So see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.